I have a question from a man that do you help your mother or sister?
Yes.
Okay. In the topic related to women, no one can write better than a woman, no one can speak better than a woman, and no one can understand better than a woman. And it is said that only a woman can understand the pain of other women. So greetings and salutations everyone. My name is Anurag and today I am standing before you to speak on the very sensitive topic, and that is menstruations or a period.
Okay.
But right now you can consider me as a girl and not a boy, and listen to me very carefully. Periods are the natural process that occurs every month in our bodies. Even though it's a natural process, but in this society we are considered impure. In our own house, we are not allowed to enter in the kitchen, we are not allowed to enter in the religious places, we are not allowed to do worship, and we are not allowed to touch basil plants and pickle containers. If we use the sanitary pad in our house, then we have to go to like thieves because we would feel embarrassed if our family members see us. And when we were teenagers, our period had started. And during that time, the boys studying with us in the school used to make fun of us. If the blood stains accidentally get on our clothes, then it makes us feel very embarrassed in front of everyone. Why? Because the topics like period, sex and virginity are not discussed openly in the society, and it's like a crime for us to speak even a single word in front of them. If I talk about the past and history of India and our society, then our society and our country treated us like untouchables. Although we entered in the 21st century, but there has not been much any improvement in our conditions. If I talk about the remote villages, the conditions of women are so bad due to use of dirty clothes as a sanitary pad, which can lead to serious health issues in the future. So just think, when the God has created this body, then how did this body become impure? And when God gave us periods, then how did we become untouchable? So the fact is that if there were no periods, then this entire world would not have been born, and then God will have to find some another ways to sustain this world. And those who mock us, I want to say them very clearly. If your mother did not have periods, then you would not have been here today. Your sister also has periods, and your daughter will also have period when she is born. So, period blood is not our dirty blood. In fact, it's a part of our body from which you, me, and all of us are made. A woman, when she becomes a mother and goes through the pains of periods and bleeding, even at that time, she takes care of her children. She does every work, but she never completes. So we must not forget that she sacrifices her comfort zone for us. And we also must not forget that our own body is made from our mother's blood. So it's our duty to take care of her and never be the reason of our tears, because in this life we can never repay the debt we owe to our mother. I repeat, we can never repay the debt we owe to our mother. And I gave the example of mother because she was also a girl and she has already gone through the pains of periods and bleeding. In the conclusion, I would like to say very strong message, and that is, you cannot expect, I repeat, you cannot expect from this country or a society where a cigarette